Okay, so we're going to start with cadmium red medium. We don't need to put out a tremendous amount, but on the other hand, we want enough to basically be able to draw it down. Mass tone is the paint coming out of the container, just what I'm doing right here. When you draw it down, you get to see what the paint looks like in a more opaque version. It's going to go over the black line, and the black line is there to show how transparent or opaque the colors are. Now, our mineral family is always going to be much more opaque, where the modern family has a tendency of being much more transparent. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag it down, we're going to go over the black line. As we get over the black line, we're going to pick it up and scrape it. Simply nice even pressure all the way down and drag. Now for the modern primaries. Okay, we're going to put out quinacridone magenta. Another little hint, you see how I'm tapping down the paint? If you do that, if you tap down on the bottom, the paint falls away from the lid and will keep the lid nice and clean for a long time. Unlike these, where I believe it was used in a workshop and my students weren't listening to me. Next is Hansa yellow medium. And then phthalo blue red shade. I'm putting them so they're relatively close together. You could actually put them a little closer together because I really like when they actually do touch and blend. So we're going to do the same thing. And scrape. Now, mass tone, undertone. And you're going to see when this paint dries that the undertone is very different than the mass tone.